Today for lunch, my mouth was watering for Coronation Chicken Salad. But when I checked the pantry, I didn't have any mango chutney, and that is one of the main ingredients. So I decided to make a different chicken salad today. These rotisserie chickens are a good buy. They feed you quite a few times. We've eaten this twice for 3 people, and now I'm going to make a chicken salad with it. So it really is economical, and it really does go a long way. And I don't like to waste, so that's why I decided to do a chicken salad recipe with the rest of it today. Now in the chicken, I had to switch bowls because I had way more chicken left than I thought I had. So in the chicken, I have my seasoning, which is dill, onion powder, garlic powder. There's a little bit of dried chive and pepper. In addition to that, I added some parsley. Now on to the dressing. So I've used mayonnaise. Now if you wanted to be healthier, you could definitely use yogurt in this. Now the Coronation Chicken called for the mango chutney, as I said, but I used a fig orange jam from Aldi, their specialty brand. It was very, very thick, much thicker even than chutney. And then I used the zest of a clementine, the juice of a clementine. Now, the Coronation Chicken also called for a dash of cinnamon, so I'm going to try it. I use cinnamon in a sauce I make for my stuffed French toast with blueberries and bananas. Stumbled on that by accident. I was going to use strawberries and bananas, and the strawberries didn't look good, so I used my blueberries instead. Now, when I have company for brunch, they request it, so it was a real surprise, blueberries and cinnamon. Now to mix it all together, and to serve it and taste it. Best part is tasting it. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm going to put this on a plate and taste it and let you know what it tastes like. Well, the pinch of cinnamon came out a little bit heavier than a pinch, but I took most of it out. But it probably still ended up with, I want to say probably at least 1/8 of a teaspoon. I was really trying to do a pinch, but we'll see how it goes. Well, definitely the right amount of dressing, and I eyeballed it, so I'll have to try to remember exactly what I used to put in the description. Well, here is the first chicken salad recipe I've made since my husband's passed. He passed 4 weeks ago today. He just liked mayonnaise and some pepper, and he would grind the chicken. He would always take the time to grind the chicken. He was a real plotter, took his time with everything. So I've added some crunchy beets on top, the ones by Tuscan Garden, and I love those on top of salads, and I like them actually with my eggs as well. Eggs and beets go really well together. These crunchy beets have a little bit of a vinegary bite. Well, I tasted it and it tasted delicious. It's not Coronation Chicken, but it still hit the spot. So I'm going to call it Ginger's Orange Fig Chicken. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time,